Hi, my name is Naprit Kaur. My student ID is AUNG2010. Here I am going to explain about my individual assignment related to corporate accounting H15020. In my assignment, I am going to explain about the financial analysis of three different companies such as BHP Private Limited Company, Santosh Private Limited Company, and Fantastic Private Limited Companies. Company's performance is largely depends on its financial components, and the financial statements like the cash flow, income statement, and the given data will be analyzed in my assignment from these three companies. The cash flow statement and the income statement is a part of my assignment. Income statement is a statement of the confidence where the company's profit and losses will be analyzed, and the cash flow statement is a statement of summarizations of the financial cash inflow and outflow record of the company. Cash flow statement also analyze the source of cash for the different companies, where the Santosh Private Limited Company earn their revenues from the operational activities from the buyer, and the BHP Private Limited companies earn their profits from the sale of the products like irons, core, and copper, and the Fountain Company earning their earnings depends on the financial year profit and the borrowings. In my assignment, I also explained the trends of the cash flow terms, and the Santosh Private Limited Company shows the steadily growth of their income, and the BHP Private Limited Company shows the positive growth of income, but the Fantastic shows the less flow of cash from their company. Moreover, the dividends is also paid by the Santosh Company and the BHP Private Limited Company instead of the Fantastic Private Limited Company. Here I'm also going to explain about the three strength of the companies from 2017 to 2020. First of all, BHP Private Limited Company has the guidelines source of the money of the cash flowing activities, where the Santosh Private Limited companies have the principal source of cash flow from the receipt from the customer, where the Fantastic companies doesn't have financial activities. All in all, according to the analyzations of the data from the assignment, I conclude that the BHP Private Limited Company and Santosh Limited Company, both are the companies depends on the financial activities, and they also earn very well financial things, and but the Fantastic Limited Company depends on the borrowing things, and it also doesn't pay the dividends, and it's perform very less in the less through 2017 to 2020 for the company.